Hey, I'm Ian. I run a video company, and my goal is to make video easy. And this is the first of a series of videos that will help you get started. In this video, I'm going to teach you the basics of framing and lighting. Let's get started. The goal of framing is that we put you at the center of the action. That means that we remove all of the distractions in the background so that we can focus on what you have to say. In order to frame your shot, it's very important to have your camera up to eye level. To do this, you'll want to lift up your laptop. You can do that with potentially a stack of books. This allows me to have constant eye contact with my audience. The most important thing to keep in mind is the headroom around your face. This gives your editors options in post. So another key aspect of framing your shot is picking a good background. Find a blank wall in your house that has a solid color and maybe add a couple of things to give it a little bit of lively pop. Some simple things that you can add to your background that you might have lying around your house are books and plants. These things add a little bit of life and personality to your background. We want you to look great in your videos, and one of the ways that we can easily achieve this is with good lighting. Now, lighting can get complicated, but let's keep it simple. You'll want to record in a well-lit room. You'll also want to have a light source behind the camera. Our goal is to light our face evenly from the front. We can do that by sitting right in front of a window with natural light or a ring light right behind the camera. I hope I showed you that video isn't that hard. And I hope you continue to follow this series so I can help you increase the quality of your video and we can make some great video content.